òun náà wo bí gbogbo surroundings ẹ̀ ṣe rí, right? The system tó bá ń work láti òkè ló ti máa rí, but Nigeria work. KOIKI Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Reason tí everybody ṣe fẹ́ wá sí UK ni pé ó ní infrastructure system tó ń ṣiṣẹ́, powerful infrastructure system. O lè lọ lórí bus, o lè lọ lórí bicycle, o lè lọ lórí underground, o lè lọ lórí train. So these are all the reasons in the world that everybody wants to find a way to come to London. This is KOIKI Media. In 15th of June 2023. And we continue to tell you that infrastructure will not be the backbone of any country. You must have that infrastructure system. Ibi tó bá ti hold, ẹ̀tún kọ́, ẹ̀tún ṣe. But that doesn't happen in Nigeria. And this is the reason why we cannot live in denial anymore. It is time for us to have our own self-independent country. And as you can tell, there's a lot of work to be done. We still need to do more awareness and tell our people all the reasons that we need to exit Nigeria. KOIKI Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. We must not be tired and we must not give up until we achieve our aims and objectives. God bless the Oracle, Professor Adebanji Akintoye. God bless Dr. Chief Sunday Igboho. God bless Chief Banji Ayiloge and all the teams on the Yoruba Self-Determination Movement. God bless the Central Office, Dr. Kiobe Onkosi. God bless the Chief Imam. God bless Mrs. Janet Fashaki. God bless the Yoruba World Media. God bless all those listeners and followers of the truth to the right to self-determination of the Yoruba people. God bless the Yoruba land. God bless all our leaders. Olayomi Koiki, KOIKI Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.